What's the symbol that resembles a paint splotch? And yes, I just confirmed splotch is a real word. And believe it or not, this splotchy symbol is a real letter. That's right. It's based off of a letter in the Cyrillic script, zhe, which sounds just like its name. Zhe is easy to remember because it looks like a starfish getting some leisure time. Also, it kind of looks like a bug, and a common Slavic Cyrillic word for bug is zhuk. What happens when this bug, or starfish, happens to have a leg that's a little longer than the others? Well, the letter goes from being a zhe to a zhe. Listen to how the zh in its spelling sounds. It's almost like a d. Perfect, because that's exactly how it's notated phonetically. Zh. Now, you could think about it as a j sound, but that's more of an approximation. You see, the extra leg on this j is really called the descender, so another name for this letter could be j with descender. Now, straightforwardly enough, the descenders really just instruct you to pronounce a letter from deeper down in your throat. Try to pronounce the sound zh deeper down in your throat. It's going to be hard, because when you pronounce zh, the top of your tongue is curled. That's why it's typically approximated as zh. But if you want to be technical, it should be something more like a zh. Luckily, these two sounds are basically identical, and only a hardcore linguist or speaker of certain languages will be able to tell the difference. This letter is also only used in languages that are only really known by hardcore linguists or speakers of certain languages as well, as the most popular languages that use the zh are Uyghur, Turkmen, and Tatar, in addition to many smaller languages. You could also use this letter if you want to write other languages, like Arabic, using the Cyrillic script. It's fun to write languages in different alphabets. To remember this letter, keep the Cyrillic word zhuk, or the leisurely starfish, in your mind. Then you'll just have to remember that the descender instructs you to try and make that sound from further down in your throat. Zhu.